Hi, I'm just going to be talking about our ValetPRO glass cleaner, but also the whole process of cleaning your glass in your car or whatever glass that you're looking to clean. Part of the process of cleaning the glass is that you've got the right kind of cloths for cleaning glass. I think they're hugely important, almost as important as the glass cleaner itself. My favourite of these glass microfiber cloths. What's different about the glass microfiber cloth is the type of weave the fabric is. So it's a microfiber cloth itself, but it's weaved like denim. The benefit that this gives you is that it doesn't pick up lint or leave lint behind. Microfiber cloth standards, this kind of terry toweling type thing, sometimes once they've been washed a few times that they can pick up lint from your washing machine, etc. And then when you come to clean glass or buff your car, if there's any little bit of nodules on the glass or some rough surface, those areas can just pick up a bit of lint. And you may have seen this yourself. If you've not experienced that issue before, it's probably nothing to worry about, but this is the reason that I personally choose to use these types of cloth. The other benefit with those ones, because they're so absorbent, it means that you can spray, wipe, job done. The process of using a standard microfiber cloth is a little bit different, and I know it's what a lot of detailers prefer to do, is that they have two cloths. One for applying the glass cleaner and one for buffing the glass cleaner off. The difference with this cloth is that you spray directly onto the glass itself and then you just go in with the towel and wipe. But it is also important that you got the right combination of cloth and glass cleaner to give yourself that perfect smear-free finish.